5 tips for passing the CSM certification exam on your first attempt. Passing the CSM exam on your first attempt can be a challenging task, but with the right preparation and strategies, you can increase your chances of success. Understanding the CSM exam. Before we delve into the tips for passing the CSM certification exam, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of what the exam entails. The CSM exam consists of 35 multiple-choice questions that you need to answer within a time limit of 60 minutes. To pass the exam, you must score at least 24 out of 35 questions correctly. Attend a CSM training course. One of the best ways to prepare for the CSM exam is to attend a CSM training course. Study the Scrum Guide. The Scrum Guide is the official body of knowledge for Scrum, and it covers the core concepts, roles, and practices of Scrum. Focus on Scrum fundamentals. The CSM exam primarily covers the fundamental concepts of Scrum, such as Scrum roles, events, artifacts, and values. Time management. Practice time management techniques during your preparation, such as setting a timer for practice exams and pacing yourself while answering questions. Continuous learning. Continuously seek opportunities to learn and grow in your understanding of Scrum. Attend workshops, conferences, and networking events to enhance your knowledge and skills as a Scrum Master. Conclusion. In conclusion, passing the CSM certification exam on your first attempt requires dedication, preparation, and a solid understanding of Scrum principles. By following these 5 tips, you can increase your chances of success and become a certified Scrum Master.